The tools you will need are a 6 mm Allen key, a 24 mm combination ring spanner, an extension tube, a general screwdriver. All of these are available in your motorcycle toolkit. First, ensure that the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Now, hold the spindle from the left-hand side using a screwdriver and loosen the spindle nut on the right with the 24 mm ring spanner fitted to the extension tube. Loosen the left hand and right hand side chain adjusters with the 6 mm Allen key. It's time to check the free play. Hold the 24 mm spanner behind the chain in a straight position. Mark the reading at this stage. Move the chain up and note the reading. Each marking is a 5 mm unit. Your value should be between 25 to 30 mm. Ensure the play of 25 to 30 mm in the same location after a full turn of the chain again to check repeatability. Tighten the left hand and right hand chain adjusters in the swing arm with the 6 mm Allen key. Tighten the spindle nut fully to finish the activity. Note: in case your motorcycle has a drum brake on the rear wheel, inspect and adjust the play of the rear brake pedal after chain adjustment. Make sure you keep checking your chain play every few hundred kilometers. Keep riding.